Guys, it's me. Welcome back to another video. This is just going to be a really quick one. I've got something to tell you. I've got news. You might remember last week I put this video out. I need to talk to you. I've got something very important to tell you, and I need your money. All right? So I don't care. I'm shamelessly asking. Where I was asking for your help to get a remembrance bench, and it also incorporates Squadron Leader Mark Long, who was the Spitfire pilot. I've actually just had a call to say that we've reached the target. Look where I am as well. I'm right next to an RAF airfield, which I thought was kind of relevant. Guys, I can't thank you enough. Like, seriously, I can't believe that this plucky little YouTube channel from my little business that I started has now created an actual thing. We've got a bench of remembrance that's going to go, it's going in the next couple of weeks. Incredible. We did it. We smashed it. Like, I'm genuinely like emotional about this. I can't believe what we've achieved together. You guys are incredible. Thank you to everybody who put your hand in your pocket. It isn't lost on me at all that times are hard. Money doesn't go very far nowadays. So the fact that people could dig deep and give to something that may be nowhere near where they're from, but you can come and see it if you want. It's going to be in Greyleys, in Sleaford, in Lincolnshire. It is a real thing. This thing is going in. It's going to last forever. Guys, you're absolute legends. I can't thank you enough. We've really achieved something. We're doing things. We're making a difference. We're making a difference to the world on this channel, and you guys are too. By subscribing, by liking, it earns money, and that money is going into the community. It's doing good stuff. I can't thank you enough. It's not going in my pockets. That's why I drive old vehicles. I put it back. And thank you. Genuinely, heartfelt. I couldn't have done it without you. You're a bunch of absolute legends. And I'm so happy. What are we going to do next? What could we do next on this channel that we help, that we make a difference? That's what it's all about. Making a difference. Good people looking after good people. Oh, thank you guys. Much love. I can't wait to just create more videos for you and just see where we can take this. Guys, you're a bunch of legends. Thank you so much. Have a great week, whatever you do this week. Much love, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys.
Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So